मैं तो बोला कि इंशाल्लाह मेरी जिंदगी में या मेरी जिंदगी के बाद एक हिजाब पहनने वाली बच्ची भारत की प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनेगी।
AIMIM chief Owaisi on Tuesday said he wishes to see a woman wearing a hijab as India's prime minister. He was speaking to the media in Karnataka after campaigning in Bijapur for the upcoming municipal corporation elections. The AIMIM is contesting in 4 wards in the upcoming Bijapur municipal corporation election, which will be held on October 28. The party chief held door-to-door elections on Tuesday and also held a roadshow as part of the election campaign. Answering questions at a press conference in Bijapur, Karnataka, during his campaign for the 5 party candidates running in the municipal corporation elections there, Owaisi stated that because one UK Prime Minister Liz Truss has failed to lift up the economy from crisis, her party made her step down from the position. They have their own democracy and they can change the Prime Minister. It is their issue. However, wearing a hijab is banned. Inshallah, during my life or after my life, there will be a time when a hijab-wearing girl will become Prime Minister, Owaisi remarked, referring to Sunak becoming the UK's first Hindu Prime Minister. Owaisi went on to level serious allegations against the Bharatiya Janata Party, claiming that the BJP's true purpose is to eradicate India's diversity and Muslim identity. They believe that halal meat, Muslim skull caps, and beards pose a threat to them. They have issues with their eating habits. The party is truly opposed to Muslim identity, the AIMIM chief said. He further claimed that the BJP's prime objective is to eradicate India's diversity. PM's words Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas are empty rhetoric. The true objective of the BJP is to eradicate India's diversity and Muslim identity, Owaisi continued. BJP's national spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla took to Twitter and asked the AIMIM chief if a hijab-wearing girl can become the president of his party. Owaisi ji hopes that a hijab-wearing girl become PM of India. Well, Constitution bars nobody, but do tell us when a hijab-wearing girl get to become president of AIMIM. Let us start with that, he tweeted. In response to Owaisi's statement, BJP spokesperson NV Subhash stated that if Owaisi truly believed in progress and development, he should ensure that the metro rail is extended to the old city. When there are protests against the hijab in the place like Iran, he is silent, Subhash remarked. Subhash stated that India is a democracy and that anyone who worked for the people would get to the top and become Prime Minister. Those with a mandate will reign. Who would have predicted that a woman from the scheduled caste would become India's president, he stated. Notably, Owaisi earlier on Tuesday accused the Modi government of bringing the National Register of Citizen NRC from backdoor after Modi government's policy is to treat Muslims with suspicion. Why profile Muslims alone? Hindu communities also live near border areas. Are they being profiled? This is backdoor NRC, he tweeted. This comes after central security agencies were reportedly directed to compile demographic and economic profiles of people of regions in Rajasthan with large Muslim populations along the Pakistan border.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.